Hello, ready to discover what to eat on the keto diet? I'll show you the best foods to keep you in ketosis and help you achieve your health goals. A keto diet contains very few carbs and a higher proportion of energy from natural fat. The protein amount should be moderate. The diet is based on real food like meat, fish, eggs, vegetables, and natural fats like butter, or from fatty foods like avocado, salmon, or olive oil. Avoid the carbohydrate-rich foods like sugar, sweets, and starchy foods, bread, pasta, rice, and potatoes. And you could end up eating something like this in a day, just as an example. A simple way to explain the difference between regular food and keto foods is that you remove the large portion of carbs, rice, potatoes, or pasta and replace it with vegetables prepared in fats. For example, veggies fried in butter or salads with olive oil. It can really be that simple. So how much should you eat? Well, you can eat when you're hungry until you're satisfied. Super simple. You don't need to count calories. You don't need any pills, no special products, and no meal replacements on a keto diet. You only need real food. Another important difference: waiting until you're hungry to eat feels easy on keto because your body can now switch directly to burning your body fat when needed. On a carb diet, you will get sugar cravings and feel tired if you don't eat all the time. But on a keto diet, you get more energy when you're hungry. Now, once you do it, hunger is the best spice. So eat when you're hungry until you're full and then repeat this for as long as you want, maybe your whole life. It's as natural as can be, like breathing. Just remember to choose food with very little sugar or starch. Now, once you do it, hunger is the best spice. So eat when you're hungry until you're full and then repeat this for as long as you want. Now, a common rule is to stay below 20 g of carbs per day. And a simple beginner's rule to achieve that is to stick to food with less than 5% carbs. For the rest of this video, we'll go through exactly what to eat like zero-carb food that keep ketosis simple, and also what you can drink it on keto. So see you late, and goodbye.